What's up guys, and it's finally here to the public, the iPhone 11 family. Today we're going to be unboxing the best iPhone in the world right now, the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So as you can see, my choice of color is the gold one. I've already seen the green color so many times on social media that I kind of got bored of it, and I kind of like the gold look of it, especially with this new camera introduction, so it looks really good. Okay, so without wasting any further time, let's quickly open the package. As you can see, the box is in all black color. It's got that iconic Apple look to it, and of course the text on the box is color coordinated, so if you go with the green one, I believe you will get the green text with the iPhone. As always, I went with the 256GB model because 64 is just too disgraceful in 2019. I mean, I can't believe Apple is actually selling the 64GB iPhone. Here is my iPhone XS Max in the space gray color. I'll be doing a short comparison with that. But let's go ahead and take a look at this beautiful phone. I gotta say, it looks absolutely incredible in the first impression. The frosted glass actually feels really nice compared to their older glass. You can see all the scratches that I have on my older iPhone XS Max. I'm just gonna place this on the side, and let's remove all the plastic of this beautiful phone. Wow. So that is a huge camera setup indeed, or I should say tumor. I mean, I've seen a lot of memes online, but I have to say it looks really big in person and a lot bigger compared to what we have on the iPhone XS Max. So other than the phone, you get all the paperwork, the guide, and of course Apple stickers. Then we've got the all new 18-watt charger that Apple is finally shipping with the iPhone 11 Pro and the Pro Max. You're not gonna get this with the normal 11 model that still comes with a 5-watt charger. So this has USB-C to Lightning connection, and again, it's 18 watts. We've got the wired earphones, and then finally the Type-C to Lightning cable. Alright, it's time to take a look at the star of the show, the brand new iPhone 11 Pro Max, the most powerful iPhone right now in the world. And as far as the weight is concerned compared to the iPhone XS Max, it is definitely thicker, but not by a lot that people are saying online, so it's not a big deal honestly in real life. So guys, I've just got done with the setup, and have to say, after spending a couple of minutes with it, this has to be the most unchanged phone of the year. Like, especially if you're coming with the iPhone XS Max, there's literally no difference between the two products as far as the front is concerned. Same notch, everything is the same. I know Apple has this new improved XDR display, but honestly, compared to the iPhone XS Max, it looks exactly the same. I can't see any difference. The only major difference is those triple camera setup. So if you're using the iPhone XS Max, I don't really see a reason to upgrade. It's better to wait for the iPhone 12 next year because it's gonna have the 120Hz ProMotion display, a change in design as well. But if you want the best camera from Apple, or one of the best cameras on the market, then this could be the reason to go for. Now if you're coming from the older generations, then you can definitely consider buying this. It's got the new Apple A13 chip, which is really fast. It's setting new benchmark records. We have like 13,000 multi-core score and near 5,000 single-core scores. It's still the most powerful chip inside a smartphone. Again, we'll be doing our speed test really soon. Another big exciting change that I'm excited for is the battery. For the first time, we have a near 4,000 mAh battery on the Pro Max model, so I'm really interested to see how it's going to perform in terms of battery drain battle compared to the Android world, so stay tuned for that video as well. This time Apple has also improved the front camera as well, so now it's coming at 12 megapixel. It also allows you to shoot a bit wider selfies as well, which is really good. It allows for 4K 60 FPS recording as well as slow motion video, which Apple is calling slow feast. Now as far as the back camera is concerned, this is a very familiar territory, especially for me because I've seen so many phones with this setup. So you're getting the usual wide, ultra wide, telephoto, and the night mode. That's the thing we have seen with so many other phones. Apple has finally catch up. Most importantly, they have done some significant changes to the main camera lens. It has something called Deep Fusion, which basically uses the neural engine for photos for the first time in a smartphone. So it's going to improve the image quality a lot, as well as improving the night mode capability. So I'll be testing out the camera in full detail, video, front camera, night mode, everything. So make sure to subscribe for that. So yeah, that's about it. This is the iPhone 11 Pro Max unboxing and first impression. impressions, I have to say it's only about the camera this year. Apple has done some really good, interesting changes here. But if you're someone who's coming from the iPhone XS Max, I strongly believe that you should wait for the next year's iPhone because majorly it's going to be the same experience. So thank you so much for watching this video. As always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.